this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. So this is on the second property location, and here is some nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests who enjoy their stay. Its review rating is 5.0, which is the possible. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. Facilities and images, etc. The property accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The location of the property is outstanding and guests love to enjoy the surroundings. 4 categories of rooms are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Several deals and offers are available online for this property, along with various plans and payment policy. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. For more details, check the description. If you are facing any kind of problem